But it's not necessarily about us. I mean, this is part of the human story, right? You're born, and you're living your life, and nothing bad happens to you, and you think it's all great, and then reality hits one day when someone you love, whether it's a grandparent, a parent, a best friend, all of a sudden they're not there anymore. And a dose of reality hits, and it's devastating. And sometimes those people are the ones that made this life worth living, right? You have great memories with them. They taught you things. You just had a great time with them, and you always enjoyed their company. So tonight, what we're going to do on this song, you're going to close your eyes and you're going to think about the one or two people that is the case for you. For us, it's the Rev. For you, it can be anyone you want it to be. This one's called So Far Away, and this is not supposed to be a sad song, but remember those people and how they made you feel. That's what this should be about. This one's So Far Away. It goes out to the Rev for us. Never fear for anything, feel ashamed but never free. Alive to heal a broken heart with all that it could. Live a life so endlessly, far beyond another sea. I tried to heal your broken heart with all that I could. Will you stay? Will you stay away forever? How do I live without the ones I love? Time still turns the pages of the book it's burned. Place in time, always on my mind. I have so much to say, but you're so far away. Plans of what our futures hold, foolish nights are growing old. It seems we're so invincible, the truth is so cold. A final song, a last request, a perfect chance to lay to rest. Now and then I try to find a place in my mind. You can stay away forever. How do I live without the ones I love? Time still turns the pages of the book it's burned. Place in time, always on my mind. I have so much to say, but you're so far away. Tell me that I'm not afraid. The one that you love is here with me. Stay away from place for me. I'm pursuing not coming, but I'll be on my way. The reality is, life isn't permanent. We don't know how many of you, or even us as band members, will make it back for another show. You can never take for granted the moments that you have. It can end like that. So right now, for the one that did make this life special while we were here. Let's get the lighters and cell phones in the sky as we remember those people that made this place so great. Thank you guys for that.